Welcome to Bonito, where beautiful is just the beginning. Dive into a world where nature's orchestra plays a mesmerizing tune, and every ripple tells a millennia-old tale. From crystal-clear rivers to heart-pounding cave descents, this Brazilian paradise promises an adventure like no other. Did you know Bonito is Brazil's gold standard for ecotourism? It's where green adventures come alive, and trust me, you'll want to be part of this eco-revolution. Dive into the Olho d'Água River, explore the mesmerizing Gruta do Lago Azul, and let the waterfalls of Estância Mimosa serenade you. Watch till the end for a gastronomic fiesta that'll tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more at the iconic Joanita and Casa do João. Bonito isn't just a destination, it's an emotion, a feeling that stays with you long after you've left. So, are you ready to make memories that last a lifetime? Bonito awaits. Bonito isn't just a catchy name, it's a testament to its beauty. In Portuguese, bonito means beautiful. But here's the catch. Once you're here, you'll realize beautiful is an understatement. It's not just the landscapes. Even the heartbeats of its inhabitants resonate with the rhythm of nature. Every chirp, every ripple, every gust of wind seems to be in perfect harmony. And if you listen closely, even the trees seem to hum a lullaby at night. It's nature's orchestra at its finest. Bonito isn't just another pretty face on the map. It's Brazil's poster child for ecotourism. The town's eco-initiatives ensure that your adventures are green. From solar-powered boats to sustainable lodges, Bonito sets the gold standard for ecotourism. And the best part, the locals play a pivotal role in preserving this paradise. It's community-driven conservation at its best. Ever wondered why the waters here are clearer than crystal? It's all thanks to the limestone bedrock. Acting like nature's own filter, it purifies the water, making it a diver's dream. But that's not all. These waters have seen epics pass by. Every pebble, every grain of sand has a millennia-old story to tell. And if legends are to be believed, the rivers here have healing powers. Well, one dip, and you'll feel rejuvenated for sure. Dive into the blue. Begin your escapade at the Olho d'Água River. It's not just water, it's a liquid tapestry of life. And if you're up for it, hop onto a solar-powered boat. It's nature and tech cruising together. The Gruta do Lago Azul beckons next. This cave isn't just a geological wonder, it's nature's art gallery. The blue lagoon inside seems like a piece of the sky, trapped in time. And for adrenaline junkies, the abyss of Inhumus offers a heart-pounding descent. It's not for the faint-hearted, but the views, absolutely worth it. Chasing waterfalls at Estância Mimosa, let the waterfalls serenade you. With nature's symphony playing in the background, it's a sensory treat. And if you're feeling adventurous, raft down the Eco Park Rio Formoso. It's a splashy roller coaster, courtesy of Mother Nature. Gastronomic delights. All this exploration is bound to make you hungry. Head to Juanita or Casa do Joao for a culinary fiesta. From tantalizing Brazilian flavors to exotic ice creams, it's a feast for the soul. Eco-exploration. Remember, Bonito's essence lies in its eco-conscious spirit. As you wander, ensure you tread lightly, respect the wildlife, and embrace the eco-friendly ethos of this paradise. And as the sun sets on our Bonito journey, remember, this is a place where every moment is a masterpiece, every experience a treasure. Bonito isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, an emotion, a memory waiting to be made. So, when are you making yours?